The entrance to the Child Development Center is both secure and sanitary. Everyone must be buzzed in, have their temperature checked, wear proper PPE, and sanitize both hands and shoes. The common area is where staff can meet with families and have family gatherings. The CDC believes strongly in connecting with families as part of the educational process. This area also displays the artwork of the students and gives them a spot to store and change their shoes. The Child Development Center Lab School is focused on the whole child and helps them develop socially, emotionally, and physically. Each classroom is designed to offer a diverse, nurturing, and safe learning experience. The children are engaged in many subjects throughout the day, have their own lockers, and each classroom is equipped with an emergency exit. Class sizes are limited to 10 or fewer. The Toddler Center is for children ages 15 months to 3 years old. The child-staff ratio is 1:4, giving the child undivided attention during this important time in development. In the preschool classroom, the children begin their journey of learning. They cover a variety of subjects including math, reading, music, art, small motor, large motor, and STEAM. They also have dramatic play, which children can role play with props to allow children to understand different cultures and family dynamics. The curriculum is individualized to meet the needs of each individual child and reflects the interest of the children. The curriculum exceeds the early learning standards from the state of Illinois. The kindergarten classroom allows the children to go further with what was covered in preschool. The children read more advanced books as well as more involved writing. The instruction meets all state standards, including teaching Common Core math. Children learn through playing, especially when the play is guided and intentional. In the large motor room, there are many different styles of play to assist the children with motor development. The large motor room provides space and opportunity for children to engage in gross motor activities, which help develop body coordination, balance, and muscle strength. Technology has allowed more interactive learning on more subjects than ever before. Utilizing both computers and smart tables, the children are able to see how things they learn work. If they like to see how dinosaurs lived or what music is like from another country, it's only a click away. Coordinating with early childhood education, the CDC has set up the classrooms with observation windows. There are headphones where adult students can observe the children without being seen.
The CDC believes that outdoor learning and play is important for a complete curriculum. The children assist in planting gardens, play and obstacle courses, as well as doing art outside.
Science and exploration is a part of our everyday activities. Children use the outdoor environment to explore nature, do hands-on activities, and investigate the world around them. The children also go on nature walks around campus where they are guided by instructors and taught about different elements of nature, climate, and geography. Every teacher in the CDC has a degree in either elementary education or early childhood education. They have background checks and hold certificates in CPR and first aid. The program is accredited by the National Association for the Education of Young Children and received the Gold Circle of Quality through Accelerate Illinois. The Triton College Child Development Center is a developmentally appropriate program where the staff considers the strengths, interests, and needs, as well as the cultural background of each child. It is our goal to provide a warm, safe, and nurturing environment for young children to grow and develop. The program is dedicated to the respect, uniqueness, and diversity of each child and family. The Triton College Child Development Center provides a safe, nurturing, and child-oriented environment for young children that will promote each child's physical, social, emotional, and intellectual development. Our philosophy is based on the belief that each child is unique. We believe that children learn through play and need to explore their environment and nature. When children are involved in meaningful play, they are able to build on their prior knowledge. Classroom activities are developmentally appropriate and foster independence, creativity, and cooperation. We believe children need knowledgeable, nurturing, and consistent teachers who understand the stages of child development, respect family needs, and promote cultural diversity. The Triton College Child Development Center staff is dedicated to building strong relationships with families and to enrich children's experiences.